One of the question in the paper is, which of the following type of epithelium lines the blood vessels? Option A endothelium, B simple squamous, C was stratified squamous, D was simple cuboidal, and E was both A and B. I believe this question was not so much tricky, but two things is important here. Number one is epithelium and number two is blood vessels. Question is very simple. He was looking what kind of epithelium blood vessels have. Very simple. But you know, for this you should have a knowledge of epithelium and a little knowledge of blood vessels. You know, blood vessels have three layers, three intima, three tunics histologically. They have three layers. The innermost layer is actually, if we have three layers, this is a blood vessel. This innermost layer, which actually associated with lumen, which associated what? Lumen. This innermost layer is called as tunica intima. This tunica intima is actually made up of what? Epithelium. Made up of what? Epithelium. So epithelium is a general term for epithelial tissue. So what kind of epithelium this tunica intima, or this is called lining, you know, lining of blood vessels, tunica intima, which is actually lines the lumen. So what kind of epithelium blood vessels have? You have four different options here: endothelium, simple squamous, stratified squamous, and simple cuboidal. You know what? The right answer here is true. Endothelium and simple squamous. So right answer is both A and B, but why? Because thing you need to understand here. Sometimes we give special name to epithelium in special regions. Sometimes we give special name to epithelium into special locations. For example, we have special name mesothelium. We have special name urothelium. We have special name endothelium. But technically they still can classify into the simple classification, like simple squamous, like stratified squamous, like simple cuboidal, like stratified cuboidals. So if you look on the epithelium of the blood vessels, generally this people love to ask this question, what is the endothelium? The answer of this question is that endothelium is the epithelium of blood vessels. Epithelium of blood vessel. So one thing we know, the epithelium of blood vessel is endo, you know, sometime inside, you may understand this word. So inner lining, you know, there are three tunics here. So that's why endothelium we give name to the lining of blood vessel. This is a special name. But when you look on the structure of endothelium, you will find what? You will find they have a single layer of cell which are what? Flat in shape. Which are what? Flat in shape. So if they are flat in shape, they are single layer. So at the same time, they are actually simple squamous epithelium. They are what? Because the cell layer is single and cell shape is flat. So at the same time, they are what? Simple squamous. So in this question, the shape of cell is not cuboidal, cross. Okay. There is no double layer in endothelium, cross, but they have special name endothelium. Okay, the shape of cell is squamous and also one layer simple squamous is also right. So in that condition, in that question, the suitable choice is what? Both A and B. That is the right answer for this question. That's clear. Examiner gives some trick on adding both terms here. Okay, that's clear. Thank you very much.